Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Healthy Food Recipes. Today we are going to make party snack recipe especially for kids' birthday, that's no yeast vanilla donuts. So let's have a look at the ingredients. These are plain flour half kg 500 grams, 1 egg, condensed milk almost 2 tablespoons, oil 1/4 cup, milk half cup or as required, sugar 3/4 cup, baking powder 1 tablespoon, coffee as required, hazelnut spread as required for decoration, and apple and orange marmalades. Now let's start it by adding half cup milk, then adding sugar 3/4 cup. Whisk it well to dissolve the sugar granules. Now crack an egg, adding oil 1/4 cup. Add condensed milk 1 to 2 tablespoons. Now whisk it again. Now start adding dry ingredients. That's baking powder 1 tablespoon and plain flour half kg. But here we have to add half flour. It's totally up to you to use a whisk or not. Here I have divided the flour in 2 portions, so easy for mixing. Now add the remaining flour. So it will be easy for you to knead the dough. First whisk it and then knead it with your hands to make a soft dough. So very soft texture donuts dough is ready. You can see it's damn soft. Now start roll it with a rolling pin. Now make shapes with cookie cutter like these and pick up the donuts from them. Now deep fry donuts at medium flame. So our yummy no yeast vanilla donuts are ready. Here we have decorated them with condensed milk, hazelnut spread, and apple and orange marmalades with chocolate burnt cheese on top. So let's taste it for you guys. Wow, so yummy! So if you people like this recipe, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Thanks!